ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ತಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಮೊದ್ಲನೇ ಕಿತ್ತ ಮಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದೇವನೇ, ಅಪ್ಪಿ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಕೈ ಕಾಲೋಗಿ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆತ್ತವಳಿಗೆ ತೆಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಬಿಡ್ರಾಣ.
ಅಲ್ರಿ ಆರಂಭ.
KD The Devil is a 2026 Kannada language action thriller and gangster drama directed by Prem and produced by KVN Productions. The film stars Dhruva Sarja in the lead role and features a massive ensemble cast including Sanjay Dutt, Shilpa Shetty, Sudeepa, V. Ravichandran, Ramesh Arvind, Reshma Nanaya and Nora Fateh. The movie was released theatrically on 30 April 2026 as a multilingual pan-Indian project. Introduction. The KD The Devil is one of the most ambitious Kannada films ever made, directed by Prem, known for his stylish mass entertainers. The movie combines action, crime, emotion, family drama and underworld politics. The film is set during the 1970s and 80s and presents a larger-than-life story of a young man who rises from humble beginnings to become a feared figure in the criminal world. The movie was promoted on a grand scale across India and released in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam languages. Its lavish production values, star-studded cast and powerful action sequences generated significant anticipation among movie lovers. Story. The story revolves around Kalidasa Kali, popularly known as KD. Played by Dhruva Sarja, Kali begins life as a simple and carefree young man. He dreams of a better future and shares strong bonds with his family and loved ones. However, circumstances push him into the dangerous world of crime and gang warfare. As Kali becomes involved with powerful gangsters and underworld leaders, he faces betrayal, violence, and life-changing decisions. The film explores themes of loyalty, revenge, friendship, and power. What starts as a small criminal journey gradually transforms into a struggle for survival in a brutal criminal empire. The movie portrays how an ordinary man became a feared and respected figure in the underworld. Without revealing major spoilers, the story highlights the emotional conflicts between family values and the temptations of power. The narrative combines action-packed moments with emotional scenes that defines Kali's transformation into the devil.